friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time, and I'm here with a real quick video just to explain what is the deal with the rooster. I did actually answer the question some time back in a Q&A video that I did, but because it's in there in the middle of the video and you wouldn't know where to find it, I figured I better shoot a video just about this on its own. And also, by putting out a short little video like this, it gives me something easy enough to link people back to, or maybe that they can find on their own. So no real big deal. It all started off with my son. My youngest son was over helping, and I was editing a video. He was the one that got me into the particular program I use for editing my videos in the first place, and so he knows a little bit more about it. And he was saying, oh, did you know you could do this and that? And so he was showing me how you could get green screen things, which would look like this to start with, and then how to take out the background and do this and make it do all this different stuff. And it got me thinking, and so that day I was actually editing a video, so I added it in there. And I think it was the video I did where I was talking about how I got here. That was actually the first one that rooster made an appearance, and so just for fun. And then I thought, I should do this. I should just start adding this rooster into, most of our videos. I don't put him into all. Really, my thought was more of just a little funny thing to add, something that would also be kind of a game. So as you're watching the video, you can be watching out for the rooster, which I have named Randy. And the reason I chose that name is that it was the only male name I could come up with that sounded as close to rain as possible. So I thought Rainy sounded a little bit too girly to name him that. So anyway, Randy the Rooster. And even though we don't even have a rooster, we have all hens, but we might get a rooster someday. So anyway, I chose a chicken because, well, we have chickens. I love chickens, and I figure that kind of represents a homesteady kind of thing anyway. And then I got to thinking too about those of you who have ever got into the show Psych. We haven't had TV like in many years, since early 1990s, but my son, same son, got me into watching Psych on Netflix, and I just love the whole idea of the pineapple. And some of you who watch Psych might not even realize this, but every episode has a pineapple, and if you think about it and you watch for it, it's kind of a game to look for the pineapple that makes an appearance in various different ways. So I'm kind of working off that, this whole idea is like, all right, who's going to catch the rooster? Who's going to see it? And it's starting out real good. A lot of people seem to really like the idea, even though I didn't explain anything about it when I first started putting it out there. Then come to find out, I always forget this, but there are kids that sometimes like to watch some of our videos, and they were just loving the rooster rolling by or flying by or bouncing by or whatever it is he does. And so I thought, well, this is great, if it gives the kids a little laugh, or even adults a little laugh. I love stuff like that myself. Why not just sneak them in there? Now, some of the more serious videos, I might leave them out, or sometimes I simply forget to put them in there. But in most videos, I like to sneak them in there and find new ways to have them doing something. But usually it's only tops 5 seconds that you're going to see them. So you got to really be watching the videos to see them. And who knows, it might become something more down the road. But right now, it's all just for fun and nothing more than that. And if it gives you a chuckle, then it's worth it. Okay, well, that's the story on Randy the Rooster. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.